In no case should there be a barrier. Moreover, the barrier. Hello everyone, this is Kaiva, all knowledge of the world, head, heart, and soul. Korea is now in great sadness. This is because the Jeju Airlines plane crashed and only 2 crew members survived and all the rest died. We don't know when, where, and how we will end. I hope you always cherish your family, and every moment I hope you pray to God who created man and takes care of the earth. Prayer must contain prophecies. Every individual has head and heart. The head is in charge of memory. The heart is in charge of emotion. The soul is in charge of the eternal, the invisible world, and the future. Even if there will be no fire for next 30 years, cities that have prophets surely have firefighting facilities. There was a strange facility at Muan airport. It's a barrier. The person who made this is a person of head and heart only. This person was a human without prophecy. In no case should there be a barrier. Moreover, the barrier was covered with soil on the outside, but the inside was constructed with concrete. The leader must be a prophet, oracle. The body comes from the parents, but the soul is God's gift. You have to know how to see the future as a gift from God. The executive director of airport facilities construction had to not make the silly facilities by any chance. Just without this barrier, everyone would have survived. When the United States was founded, many oracles happened in the fields of corporation, politics, etc. They were misunderstood as greedy people, as power seekers. In Korea, there was a true prophet named Seungman Lee. Even now, some people disparage him as a dictator. He was the first president of South Korea. He wrote a book of prophecies that Japan would attack the US. This book was published 5 months before the Japanese attack on Hawaii and was delivered to the US government. The White House ignored this oracle because it was thought that a small Eastern political leader was pursuing Korea's development by speaking badly of Japan. However, the US government was shocked when Japan attacked Hawaii 4 months later. The US government was embarrassed when it was revealed that it despised the prophecy of the Korean prophet. Since then, the US government had respected the elderly gentleman, a Korean politician. And they made reflections that God warned the US through a small, old gentleman in the East, but the US ignored it. Hawaii was attacked and thousands of American youth were killed. After that, the US government actively helped Korea and participated in the Korean War. Seungman Lee was the only one in the world to sign a mutual defense treaty with the United States. If the US is attacked, Korea will help. And the United States will help Korea if it is attacked. It is the only mutual defense treaty that the United States has signed with a foreign country. Seungman Lee signed this treaty and danced behind the scene and said, "Our descendants will enjoy peace in the future." 10,000 people don't save one person. Life is derived from one. It is one person that saves 10,000 people. The reason seawater doesn't decay is because of its salinity of about 3.5. Sodom's failure was not because there were no 10 righteous men, but because there was no single righteous man. If there is no prophecy, the country is ruined. The organization collapses. This is Kaiva. See you in the next video. God bless you.